Hello viewers, let's learn in Excel how we can insert a row under each alternate row. If the table is too big, so by inserting alternate row, by right click insert, it will take a lot of time. So we will do the same in 3 ways. The second most important thing, in case if you are having a column of huge names, so how you can split these names in different columns at once. Now on screen please. Now Excel table is in front of you. So when we insert a row, so right click insert row and then we go again and repeat the process. It's time taking and difficult. So let me share you two methods through which you can insert row easily. Let's go and select the row or click a row, like I select 3 and then keep pressing the control key and select the row by left click, and now press from your keyboard control key plus key and empty row would be inserted in desired way. Now let's go and learn another method. It's a huge table in front of you, so let me go and type 1 2 under tip like this and then select and drag till end of the table. Now the entire table has been given numbers. Now copy all the numbers and go down and paste beneath it. Now it's almost done. Now let's go and select the top row, which is 2, and let's go select filter under data, and by pressing the filter, now filter appear. Now click the small arrow of the filter, click it and sort smallest to largest. Click it and now let's go and it's done. An empty row is added under each name. So through this way you can insert empty rows under every row. Now let's undo it. Let me share you another method which is far more easier than this. Click on the tip and now Control Shift plus L. Press it and automatically filter appear. Open it and now sort largest to smallest. Through this way you will reverse the table and the same empty row will be also inserted in the entire table through shortcut keys. This is the best and the easy way. Now select the row and click Ctrl minus. Also remove the filter and your table is in your new shape. Now another table in front of you. These are huge names. So let me split it at once. First, write the name in separate column of the first name and then Control plus E. Select it and then once again next Control plus E and then once again repeat the same. Now every person separate name has been written in separate column. This is the easy way to split huge name or huge data which is available in a single column. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.